Keeping oneself motivated is the biggest challenge faced by most of us, isn't it? हम कुछ दिनों तो दिलो जान से कोशिश करते हैं, फिर मोमेंटम ड्रॉप हो जाता है. Common problem? In order to get the maximum results from this course, you have to continue to practice, practice and practice. But there the problem lies. मोटिवेटेड नहीं रह पाते हैं. क्यों नहीं रह पाते हैं? क्योंकि इंस्टेंट रिजल्ट्स नहीं दिखता है. Remember, diamonds are formed from carbon, but it has to withstand the extreme temperature and pressure for a long period of time. Larvae has to undergo many physical transformations to become a butterfly. So is your journey of metamorphosis. I'll share with you 6 simple tips to keep yourself motivated. Have short-term achievable goals. Do not expect miracles overnight. For example, what do you do when your fitness coach or someone tells you that you should do 50 push-ups a day? Do you start doing 50 on the first day? Or you start with 10 in the first week, 10 in the second week until you reach 50? In a similar way, push yourself and start today. Stop procrastinating. Set short-term goals like I'll work on my body language for the next 4 days, or I'll try to have a conversation with at least a person a day for a week. Whatever is your aim, start it today. Second tip. Be happy with small transformation. That will keep your momentum going. Like, wow, I have improved my body language. Or wow, now I don't fear talking to strangers. Wow, I have shed 1 kg this week. Take small steps at a time. You can give yourself a small treat for it too. Don't wait for the day when you will become a pro speaker to rejoice yourself. That will kill your motivation because all days won't be the same. The third tip. Do not judge yourself based on others' competencies and expectations. This is the biggest drawback that we have. We forget that we are unique identity. And no two individuals can be same. किसी भी 2 इंसान का अगर फिंगरप्रिंट सेम नहीं हो सकता है, तो फिर उनकी जर्नी, उनके स्ट्रगल्स, उनके हर्डल्स कैसे सेम हो सकते हैं? Then why do we try to judge ourselves based on others' results? अरे वो तो मेरे से अच्छा है. अरे कितनी जल्दी सक्सेसफुल हो गया. मैं नहीं कर सकता. Stop all that from this moment. The fourth tip. Work hard and review yourself regularly. Regular self-assessment helps you progress. For example, learn 2 new words daily. Use them in your conversation to enhance your vocabulary. Or try to participate in various competitions or talks that you never dared to due to lack of confidence. You may not be very good, but you'll surely learn something from that experience, and that will help you grow. Fifth tip. Surround yourself with positive people. Be with those who support and guide you, even if they are tough on you sometimes. It may be hard to identify them, but once you do so, keep them close. Avoid negative influence, which I know is tough, because the irony is that in real life, negativity attracts us the most. It's hard to keep positive mindset, but it is very easy to think negative, isn't it? But you have to work on it. The sixth one is care for your mental health. Engage yourself in activities that relax you, like dancing, music, yoga, or any other hobby that helps you unwind and relieve you from the everyday stress and anxiety. And please do not take the help of social media to do so. Scrolling reels won't help you at all. See, stress in today's world is inevitable, so it is worthless running away from it. We must try and manage it. And doing activities you love to do is the best way to tackle it and stay motivated.